friends! Are you ready for another exciting alphabet adventure today? Yay! Today, we're going to hop into the heartwarming world of the letter H. Can you say H with me? Happy. H looks like this. Now, let's discover some heartwarming things that begin with H. The first thing is a heart. Can you say H for heart? Yes. A love-filled heart. Now, let's see what else we have. Can you spot the horse? You got it. A galloping horse. Can you say H for horse? Great job! Now, look at this hat. Can you say H for hat? Houses make us feel cozy. Can you say H for house? And look at this sweet treat. Honey. Can you say H for honey? Zoom. A flying friend. H for helicopter. Can you say H for helicopter? And the last one, floating in the sky. H for hot air balloon. Can you say H for hot air balloon? You guys are spreading happiness. We explored heart, horse, hat, house, honey, helicopter, hot air balloon, all starting with H. High fives for everyone. Great job, little learners. That's the magic of H. Stay tuned for more alphabet adventures. Bye-bye for now, and I can't wait to explore more letters with you soon.